This fraction that you see here is called the difference quotient, and we want to apply it to the function f of x equals negative 3x plus 8. Basically, we want to start with f of x plus h, and that's what you get when you substitute x plus h in for x in the function. So we're going to have negative 3 times x plus h plus 8. That right there is my f of x plus h. Now we want to minus f of x itself. Well, that's the negative 3x plus 8 that we were given. That difference is then going to get divided by h. So let's begin by distributing in the numerator. We will have negative 3x minus 3h plus 8. Distribute this negative here. That will give us a plus 3x minus 8 all over h. Now I see that we've got some cancellation. The 3x's are going to cancel, the 8's are going to cancel, and we're going to be left with negative 3h over h, and those h's are going to cancel, and the value of this difference quotient is going to be negative 3.